Hey there. So before jumping to the topic of today, I would like to extend an expression of gratitude towards each and every one of you guys for being there, for just being there, liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, commenting such beautiful comments on my videos, my content, liking my content, and giving criticisms as well, so that I could improve upon the quality of videos that I uploaded. I am super thankful for you guys. You guys have become my extended family. It's quite oddly satisfying to have an extended family of your own. I'm quite blessed at that. And I would definitely like to interact with each and every one of you personally. And for that, I have come up with Insta Live Wednesdays on my Instagram account. The link is down below. You can go and check out the account. If you like the content, you can follow it. And on every Wednesday, I will come up with some topics that I would be interacting live with all my family. And sometimes it would be topics related to art, sometimes certain social issues, sometimes I would be interacting with my fellow artists that I know personally, and sometimes there would be experienced artists that would be telling their stories to get inspired from. So it's gonna be a fun week. So please do join in. Let's build an amazing community of artists. So moving on to the topic of today. Today's topic is the good habits you need to keep to have a constant check over your growth as an artist, in your drawing skills, in your painting skills, and your creative intellect. So the first thing that every artist does consistently to improve their drawing skills is to master the art of controlling the flow, the movement of your hands, and sensitivity towards the pressure while you apply while drawing. This can be achieved through one good habit that you need to keep and keep practicing regularly, which is sketching. So let me tell you practically how it's done. So let's begin. When we talk about sketching, the first thing that comes into our mind is how to draw a line. Right, and I have talked about lines in my previous video as well, where I talk about the 5 elements of art. Now, the line is the most basic part of any drawing. So you need to master the art of drawing a line with flow and force, so that it gains a sense of life into it. You see, only lively things can have force in them. So you need to establish a sense of force in your lines so that your drawings appear more lively. That can be done by manipulating, by controlling the amount of pressure you put into your tool while drawing. Also, your hand movements contribute to the dynamics, to the flow of that drawing. But this comes with practice. You can't just start and expect your drawing to be the best at its first time. You have to practice it. Fill files, guys. Fill files. As many files as you can. I have lost count how many files I've filled while drawing these. I used to draw some very basic sketches initially, and I look at them now and I see how much improvement I have got. Before starting sketching, I used to draw these very drawings, and it took me over 8 hours to just complete a finished drawing. I'm serious, I wasn't trained. I didn't know that it could be done so quickly. I used to take a lot of time thinking that if I am doing it right or not. I used to draw each and every line very precisely and made sure that everything needs to be perfect. And to do that, I used eraser a lot. I used to sharpen my pencil a lot, and I used to break it off a lot more often. And even then, I most of the times I got it wrong. That's why it took so much time. But now I can complete it in 1 minute. See, it's done. Now it doesn't matter what kind of medium you are using, what kind of tool you're using. Be it a pencil, an HB pencil, an 8B shading pencil, a pen, a pencil color, a crayon, a charcoal stick, whatever, a brush with watercolor, acrylic, oil, anything. What matters is the flow and the pressure you're putting into it. You know, let me tell you a story. How I practiced then. Every time me and my friends left my college, we used to go at a central park and we used to sit down and draw random people out there, not calling out them, but candid poses of those people in our drawings without bothering them. Doesn't matter if it's bad or good, it is actually good every time, and it becomes better every next time. So you need to keep practicing. Try it 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, 2,000 times, 5,000 times, and as many times as you can. My teachers used to tell me at least draw 10 sketches a day. Fix timers. Tell yourself to complete a sketch in 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, and even 30 seconds. The important thing to grasp in this is how you get the gesture of those things, those images, those bodies. As you see over here, I am first getting a gesture by drawing those ribs over there and the spine. That gives me a sense of what gesture the body actually is in. Then following it, I can draw other things. Now let's finish it quickly so that I think I'm finished over here. I'm done. Yeah. So let's quickly finish it so that I can move on to the next thing, which is self-study. It is very important to study things yourselves. Study figures, study anatomy, study plants, study gestures, study forms, study buildings, everything from their foundations to the complex structures. You need to study everything yourselves so as to understand them properly, one by one, part by part. Understand everything. Alright, I am studying over here female figures, viewing them constructively so that I can understand how this body actually functions. What is the mechanism? When you understand that, it is quite easy to draw these with imagination. You don't need references or live models for that now. You can draw them by your imagination. The whole purpose of drawing these sketches day to day is to develop a mind memory of that so that you can draw these things with imagination next time. So that ends it over here. Well, that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed and understood the importance of sketching while improving your drawing skills. It also helps you improving your painting skills as well. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon on its side so that you can be updated with each and every content that I upload over here every week from now on. And I want you to hit the like button and comment down a little something for myself so that I can give you more engaging, interactive, and better quality content every week. That's it for today. Goodbye. Stop right there. I have something more for you. There are some more videos that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. You might want to have a look on that. If you like this one, I'm sure you like that one as well. Head on the playlist and the videos are here.